Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Poppy Willow Company. It has been a little while, but I am still a PR girl for Poppy Willow and I am so happy that I am. I love her stickers. I love, love, love her shop. And she opened a new shop, so I will be sure to post that link down below and check her out. And if you use my discount code, you get a discount. So you get 15% off. So please check her out. And when you use my code, you also get a freebie, which is this. And so my discount code is TT.Scraps 15. And look how sweet that is. So let's see what she gave me. I got Boss Babe, by which is for an Erin Condren, or I use a plum paper planner and it's fine. Look how cute this is. Now, I am not kidding when I say her colors are vibrant. They are so, this navy is just amazing in real life. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but her colors are absolutely stunning. And the rose gold is beautiful. There's even the little apple. Oh my goodness. Each one of them has rose gold accents. And then the dates are all done in rose gold. And this is the washi. And the half boxes. Now her kits are totally complete. And all of these are rose gold. And these are the day stickers. So it says they have the days of the week, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you know, the days of the week. And look at that. I love that. Oh my gosh. They're just so pretty. So I'll take the date sticker and put it on here, and it will make it totally customized for the week. And here are her little, I don't know, functional boxes, or I don't know what to call these, but the to-do boxes. Her weekend sticker is fabulous. And then all of these are so pretty. Rescheduled, me time, date night, important, to clean, to do. And then I want to call it a globe. It's not a globe, but you guys know what that is. I'm just stunned by the beauty. Seriously, it is so pretty. I love this cup with the little eyelashes and the cups in it. And there's a book called Girl Boss, and there's one called Elle, and one called Fashion. I mean, the detail is just amazing. Map. Good grief. And here are her checkbox stickers. Absolutely stunning. And then she sent me another kit. This is the Lush kit with this beautiful emerald green. And look at these. Oh my word. So pretty. And look at that. These colors are amazing. I'm hoping that they're picking up. This is so pretty. Her kits are just unbelievable. They're so full. You get so many different things. I love these day of the week stickers. And all of these. I mean, seriously, you don't even have to use your functional stickers. You can just use the kit. There's so many good things. And so much room to write. It's just perfect. Her weekend sticker, I love that she's added these. And here are the full boxes. Full box checklists. Oh my goodness, look at these. Tropical bows. Aren't those pretty? And then the tropical deluxe day covers. And so it has all of the days of the week, and they are just beautiful. And they have the gold. Actually, they're not even gold. It looks like they're kind of a green. Some of them are gold. This one's looks totally green. I don't know. They're beautiful. It is just beautiful. So pretty. So that is what I got from Poppy Willow, and gosh, I sure hope that you guys check her out and use my discount code so you can get your discount, because these are unbelievable and you will be so happy that you got them. And look at that. Lush and Boss Babe are the two that I have to show you, and they are just phenomenal. And don't forget, you also will get a freebie, which is in itself gorgeous. Use the code TT.Scraps 15. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.